How the color of bananas that you eat affects your health. Banana lovers don't fool around when it comes to how they like the ripeness of their favorite fruit. Some prefer to stick to the underripe green bananas, while others like the overripe bananas that are almost completely brown. While taste is a factor to consider when choosing what color bananas you like, so is health. Did you know that bananas contain all sorts of nutrients that are vital to our health? Not only are they delicious, but they can help improve our health. But do you know what effects different colored bananas have on our health? Interestingly enough, each banana coloration comes with its own set of health benefits. Keep watching for some effects different colors of bananas may have on your health. And before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Number 1. Green bananas. Green bananas contain resistant starch. According to registered dietitian Jill Corleone, this type of starch acts more like a fiber in your body. Resistant starch in your diet, like the green banana, may reduce your risk of diabetes by aiding in blood sugar control, and heart disease by helping to lower cholesterol levels, she wrote in an article for Livestrong. Their high fiber content means younger bananas keep you full longer. This helps your appetite stay in check, thus promoting weight loss. Underripe bananas are also very low in glycemic index, making them an ideal snack for those who need to control their blood sugar levels. Number 2. Yellow bananas. Yellow, firm bananas contain antioxidants that protect our bodies from various illnesses. Corleone noted one antioxidant present in dopamine, which reduces the risk of heart disease, as well as degenerative diseases. She said while dopamine is usually known to act as a feel-good chemical in the brain, you won't get that from eating a banana, unfortunately. Dopamine from bananas does not cross the blood-brain barrier. It simply acts as a strong antioxidant instead of altering hormones or mood, she wrote. Bananas contain more sugar as they age, and so yellow bananas are on the sweeter side. Are you curious about what other health benefits bananas have? Well, stick around until the very end, because after we tell you about the effects different colored bananas may have on your health, we'll tell you about the overall health benefits of bananas. And why you should be eating them more. Number 3. Yellow bananas with spots. Yellow bananas with brown spots aren't quite as healthy as their younger counterparts, but they still contain a lot of antioxidants. They're even sweeter than yellow bananas and are usually the most popular choice when it comes to taste. A group of Japanese researchers from Taiko University has proven that bananas are ripe. TNFs can actually fight cancer. They found that spotted bananas contain 8 times the amount of tumor necrosis factor, TNF, than green bananas. According to PubMed, TNF helps to break down abnormal cells in our body, namely cancerous tumors. The cancer-fighting substances also benefit our immune system by guiding white blood cells to areas in the body that are inflamed or infected. Number 4. Brown bananas. According to the Linus Pauling Institute, foods high in potassium help prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Brown bananas also contain the mood-altering amino acid tryptophan. In a report by Life Extension, tryptophan is said to regulate your moods. It can help ease depression, anxiety, and also help you sleep better. The older a banana gets, the easier they are to digest, making brown ones ideal for those with digestive issues. As bananas head to the end of their shelf life, they begin to lose their nutrients. Therefore, brown bananas should be kept in the refrigerator to maximize further loss. If you like to eat your bananas when they're brown, you may want to reconsider that. You won't be able to get as many nutrients as you could be getting. And besides, who wants to eat a brown mushy banana? Yuck! Now that you know what effect different colored bananas could have on your health, here are some added health benefits of bananas. Bananas are a healthy choice all around. According to writer Ada Janadater, MS for authority nutrition, they can benefit our digestion, heart health, and promote weight loss. They deliver high amounts of potassium, along with other vitamins and nutrients required to keep us healthy. Not only are they extremely nutritious, they are also fairly low in calories and extremely convenient. According to Healthline, the average banana contains 105 calories. Not bad. And you can add them to all sorts of recipes. And they're absolutely delicious too. Bananas have many different important nutrients. Now that you know what effect different colored bananas could have on your health, here are some other added health benefits of bananas. Bananas contain many different antioxidants and also contain potassium, manganese, vitamin C, vitamin B6, copper, fiber, and more. Bananas moderate our blood sugar levels. Healthline states that bananas contain pectin, which is a special fiber that gives our flesh its form. Unripe bananas can have resistant starch, which can escape digestion. Pectin and resistant starch are both known to moderate blood sugar levels after we eat. They can also help reduce our appetites. Bananas are also ranked pretty low on the glycemic index, which measures how quickly certain foods raise your blood sugar levels. Weight loss. Like we mentioned earlier, bananas can help with weight loss. They are a great and healthy snack that you can eat as an alternative to snacks which are higher in calories. Bananas are also filling, which can help you eat less. This is because they are high in resistant starch. If you want to lose weight, cut out junk food and sugary drinks from your diet. Replace high-calorie snacks with low-calorie snacks like bananas and other fruits. And, of course, don't try to add exercise into your daily life. Not only will this improve your heart health and overall health, but it will help you lose weight. Bananas contain antioxidants. Bananas contain many different types of powerful antioxidants. Two of those antioxidants include dopamine and cageins, which are linked to all sorts of different health benefits. Not only can these antioxidants help reduce the risk of heart disease, but they can also help reduce the risk of several degenerative illnesses. So eat it up. Kidney health. As we all know, bananas are high in potassium, and potassium is vital for your blood pressure control as well as your overall healthy function of your kidneys. Because of this, bananas can help improve your kidney health. In fact, according to Healthline, one study completed over a 13-year period suggests that people who ate 2 to 3 bananas per week were actually 33% less likely to be at risk for developing kidney disease. Other studies say that people who eat bananas 4 to 6 times a week are a whopping 50% less likely to be at risk for kidney disease than people who don't eat bananas. Moral of the story? Eat your bananas. So, now that you know what effects different colored bananas may have on your health, as well as the added health benefits of bananas, what are your thoughts? Not only are bananas super healthy, bananas are also one of the most conveniently healthy snacks out there. So, you can throw them in smoothies, cereal, baked goods, and the list goes on. Since they come in their own handy packaging, they're easy to travel with. Their thick, protective peel also keeps them protected from pesticides and pollutants. At the end of the day, bananas are good for you no matter what stage of shelf life they're at. The right ripeness for. You could depend on your personal health goals or your taste preference. Do you like bananas? What other fruits do you like to eat or not eat? Let us know in the comments section below. Hit the like button and share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Welcome back to Green Lifestyle, where we uncover the mysteries of health and wellness. Flax seeds have been around for centuries. These delicious seeds have tremendous health benefits. And in today's video, we're going to discuss the benefits once you start eating flax seeds daily. Before we begin this video, Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Let's get started. Number 1. Fiber keeps you healthy. It is important to get fiber from your diet as it keeps your bowels moving. You need to keep your digestive system in great shape. Flax seeds are a good source of dietary fiber. Just 1 tablespoon of flax seeds gives you 3 grams. This is about 12% of your daily recommended fiber intake. There are 2 types of dietary fiber. Soluble, your body needs them both and you get both types from flax seeds. Fiber from flax seeds gets fermented by the bacteria found in your gut. This bulks up your stool, which keeps your bowel moving, meaning no more constipation. Insoluble fiber from flax seeds draws in more water to your bowel, making your bowel movements easier. Soluble fiber from flax seeds reaches your intestine and slows down the digestion rate. This means you won't experience blood sugar spikes that cause hunger cravings. As a result, you'll have better blood sugar control. Number 2. Omega-3s. If you're a vegan or a vegetarian, you have all the more reason to eat flax seeds. They're one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These seeds are the top source of ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid your body needs for several life functions. Your body cannot make it, so you have to get it from the food you eat. Studies have shown ALA to be helpful in preventing cholesterol from depositing in the blood vessels of your heart. They even help reduce the growth of tumors and inflammation in the arteries. A study that involved nearly 4,000 people revealed that those who ate more ALA had a lower risk of suffering a heart attack. A review of 27 studies with 250,000 people involved also found that eating ALA lowers your risk of heart disease by 14%. A recent scientific review remarked that ALA is better for heart health than its cousin omega acid types. That's a win for flax seeds. Number 3. High-quality protein. If you're a vegan or vegetarian, flax seeds are a great source of plant-based protein. They are particularly rich in amino acids that your body needs to thrive. Lack of protein in the diet severely impacts your hair, skin, and weight. You get hungry faster, leading to higher calorie intake throughout the day. Reduces your risk of cancer. Science is still trying to find out why we get cancer. Fortunately, there are foods that can help reduce your likelihood of being diagnosed with cancer, and flax seeds are one of them. Flax seeds have 800 times more lignin than any other plant-based foods. These plant compounds can have strong antioxidant properties. Number 4. Lowers the risk of getting cancer. Postmenopausal women especially should include flax seeds in their diet. Studies have found them to be very helpful in decreasing the risk of breast cancer, particularly after menopause. But that doesn't mean men should skip eating these seeds. Research has pointed out that eating flax seeds daily reduced men's risk of prostate cancer. This food has the potential to prevent colon and skin cancer. If you're not enjoying eating flax seeds on their own, you can try flaxseed oil. You can add a few drops to your herbal tea or use it while cooking. But remember to practice portion control. Too much is bad for you. Number 5. Lose weight. Flax seeds have a lot of fiber and protein to offer. Both are known to prevent blood sugar spikes and to keep you full for longer. As a result, you eat fewer calories throughout the day. Experts found that adding 5 grams of ground flaxseed powder to a beverage reduces feelings of hunger and overall appetite. Number 6. Lots of nutrients. Flax seeds are bursting with nutrition. 1 tablespoon of grounded, nutty flavored seeds gives you vitamins like B1 and B6, minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, and 37 calories. Not to mention 1.5 grams of protein, 2 grams of fiber, and 600 milligrams of omega fatty acids. An easy way to sneak flax seeds into your diet is to ground them into a fine powder and sprinkle over your split pea soup. The nutty flavor will enhance the flavor of your soup. Put your blood cholesterol level in a healthy range. Number 7. Reduce high cholesterol. In a study involving people with high cholesterol, it was reported that flax seeds lowered total cholesterol levels by 17% and bad cholesterol by 20%. People involved in this study were given 3 tablespoons of flaxseed powder daily for 3 months continuously. Flax seeds are wonderful for women, especially postmenopausal women. It reduced their breast cancer risk. Research has found that eating 30 grams of flax seeds daily lowered total cholesterol by 7% and LDL cholesterol by 10%. Number 8. Better blood sugar control. In postmenopausal women, better blood sugar control type 2 diabetes patients can particularly benefit from flaxseed. A study found that diabetics experienced better blood sugar control when they ate flaxseed seed on a daily basis. They were given 10 to 20 grams of flaxseed powder daily for 1 month. It was observed that their blood sugar levels reduced by 8% to 20%. Number 9. Blood pressure lowers. If you have hypertension, you need to include flaxseed in your daily diet. You can eat them roasted or added to a smoothie bowl. Drink them with water or add them to your oatmeal. Flax seeds have a wonderful ability to lower your blood pressure levels. A study observed the effects of eating 30 grams of flaxseed each day for 6 months. The results showed people experienced lower systolic blood pressure by 10 millimeters of mercury and diastolic blood pressure by 7 millimeters of mercury. Several studies were reviewed to verify if flax seeds indeed helped lower blood pressure. And the answer was yes, they did. What are the risks? As discussed, flax seeds are high in fiber. And while that's considered a benefit, increasing your fiber intake too quickly can disrupt your regular body function. Your digestive system will likely react negatively to this increase and reward you with digestive issues. Gas and bloating flax seeds have also been known to mimic the effects of estrogen, which can create issues for anyone who has hormone-sensitive issues like certain types of cancer, or those who use any type of hormone therapy. Pregnant and nursing people should also seek advice before increasing their flaxseed intake. Allergic reactions and medication sensitivities are another issue to be aware of before making any drastic changes to your diet. Flax seeds are indeed great for your health. Did you know about the benefits of eating flax seeds daily? If you like this video, let us know in the comments section below. Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Welcome back to Green Lifestyle, where we uncover the mysteries of health and wellness. We lose water from our bodies every day, be it through breathing, sweating, crying, urination, and even stool. We can get dehydrated easily. Water keeps you hydrated, keeps the organs functioning, brain working, and makes you feel good in general. Our bodies are around 60 to 70% water, and this quantity can reduce significantly, which can lead to a lot of health problems. Most don't drink enough, and the body will give signals if you need more. And today, we'll tell you what those signals are. From unexplained headaches, bad breath, frequent illness, muscle cramps, to dry skin and more. Number 1. Watery eyes. A lack of water leads to dry, bloodshot eyes. Without water in the body, your tear ducts dry up. When your body senses that your eyes are not moist enough, it tries to remedy the problem by producing an abundance of tears. Number 2. Unexplained headaches. Headaches are a complicated phenomenon. For many, we don't know the cause and will never find out. It could be food sensitivity, stress, an illness, or dehydration. While over-the-counter pain relievers can provide some relief, one way to help is to rehydrate the body promptly. Number 3. Bad breath. Increasing the saliva in your mouth will help you get fresher breath. This can be an unfortunate symptom of dehydration, which can cause the bacteria in your mouth to multiply as the mouth dries out. Drinking a few glasses of water in between meals can help flush out food particles. This will maintain the right amount of saliva. When you're not drinking enough water, the production of saliva slows down, which has antibacterial properties. This makes bacteria grow faster inside your mouth, causing bad breath. Number 4. Slow digestion. Digestion can slow down for all sorts of reasons. It could be something that you've eaten or an illness. But lack of water can have a big impact too. When you're not getting enough, you may notice digestion slows down significantly, which could cause stomach aches or random cramps. If this is happening, try drinking more water and see if it helps. Number 5. Constantly thirsty. If you're thirsty, it usually means that you need to drink water. If you're feeling a little parched, it could mean that you're more dehydrated than you think. A great way to check is by taking note of how many times you go to the bathroom. The average person should be going about 4 to 10 times a day. This statistic is also contingent on your age and if you're taking medication. Ultimately, if you believe that your body is dehydrated more than the average person, try setting an alarm on your phone to remind you when you should rehydrate. Number 6. Dark urine. As mentioned before, if you're making fewer than 4 trips to the bathroom, you likely need to hydrate more. If your urine is dark yellow instead of pale or clear, that's another sign you're likely not getting enough fluid. While it's recommended that we drink water throughout the day, it's not only water that counts towards hydration. You can also go for tea and low-fat milk as alternatives. The food we eat also contains water. However, water should be your go-to drink of choice to avoid excess calories. Number 7. Muscle cramps. When your body loses enough fluid, it's unable to cool itself off adequately, leading to heat illness. One symptom to look out for is muscle cramps, which can happen while exercising, particularly in hot weather. The hotter you get, the more likely you are to get muscle cramps, due to a heat effect on the muscles. As the muscles work harder, they can seize up from the heat itself. Changes in the electrolytes such as sodium and potassium can lead to muscle cramping as well. Even in cooler weather, dehydration is possible if you don't drink enough fluids while working out. Symptoms may be milder or come on slowly, but dehydration carries the same risks, regardless of the temperature outside. Number 8. Not sweating during exercise. So what happens if you don't sweat during a workout? It could mean your body is liquid deprived. Typically, the body overheats during exercise, so it then produces sweat to keep the core body temperature regulated. If there isn't enough water to produce sweat, our bodies can't regulate themselves. This can be very dangerous as it may lead to overheating or heat stroke. Number 9. Decreased energy levels. Do you feel tired constantly? To the point where you feel you need a nap? Incorporating more water into your daily routine can help. Being dehydrated decreases your blood circulation, which can make your body conserve energy. When the muscles don't receive enough oxygenated blood, they could cramp when you work out, and they will become fatigued. If you feel this during your exercise routine, do not push yourself. Stop, drink water, and rest. Number 10. Frequent illness. Water helps flush toxins, waste, and bacteria from the body. This helps fight disease and infection, as well as strengthens your immune system, so you become sick less frequently. If it seems you're always getting sick, you may need to start drinking more water. This will keep your body free of toxins and functioning at an optimal level. Number 11. Constipation. Water promotes good digestion and regular bowel movements by keeping your stool soft and moving it easily through the digestive tract. Not drinking enough can cause your body to pull water from stool to compensate for fluid loss. If your bowel movements are irregular, try drinking more water to loosen your stool and relieve constipation and bloating. Number 12. Sugar cravings. Dehydration interferes with your body's ability to reach into glucose stores for energy. This can trigger cravings for foods high in sugar and carbohydrates. Unusual and sudden cravings for sugary foods, like chocolate, donuts, cookies, and candies may indicate that your body is in great need of water, not food. If you're experiencing sugar cravings or hunger pangs, even though you've recently eaten, try drinking more water to rehydrate your body and keep cravings at bay. Number 13. Low blood pressure. More than half of the blood in the body is plasma, or the liquid part of the blood. Plasma is made up of water, protein, and salt. Without enough water in your plasma, your blood will become more concentrated, and it will be difficult to flow through the body to the organs that need it, leading to low blood pressure levels. Water also carries hormones and nutrients to their destination. So when fluid consumption is reduced, this procedure starts to slow down, causing many bodily dysfunctions. This may also drop blood pressure, which can lead to dizziness. You may also experience a faster heartbeat, as the heart tries to increase the blood pressure. Number 14. Joint pain. Although drinking water might not cure arthritis or other causes of joint pain, increasing the amount you drink can help treat some of the painful symptoms. You might see fluid retention in your ankles and fingers when you're not drinking enough water. It's important for lubricating joints, so drinking water can help with joint pain. Number 15. Dry skin. Water hydrates and plumps skin cells to make your skin look brighter, vibrant, and more youthful. However, a lack of it can cause skin to lose its plumpness and elasticity. This can lead to dryness, flakiness, fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. Water even helps reduce acne and other skin problems. By flushing harmful toxins from the body, if beauty products and skin treatments are failing to improve the appearance of your skin, drink more water to achieve a more youthful appearance and to reduce skin problems. Number 16. Kidney problems. Not having enough water can lead to a urinary tract infection, which can lead to a kidney infection. Kidneys filter your blood, which is mainly water. So if you're on the dehydrated side, it puts extra stress on your kidneys. Drinking plenty of water can also prevent kidney stones. Drinking water is one way you can make sure your body is healthy and will keep minor aches and pains away. How much water do you drink every day? Is it enough? If you like this video, let us know in the comments section below. Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Welcome back to Green Lifestyle, where we uncover the mysteries of health and wellness. Do you want to start living a more healthy lifestyle? Well, you've reached the right place for some health tips that may just improve your life. Did you know that ginger is one of the most nutritious plants? Its active components, gingerol and shaggles, have a plethora of health benefits. It has also been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a multitude of medical conditions. Although it has powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, there are 4 groups of people who should avoid it for medical reasons. Now, keep watching who should avoid eating ginger based on the condition they have, as well as other health tips so you can start living a more healthy lifestyle. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Number 4. Blood disorders. People who have blood disorders should stay away from using ginger. While ginger boosts the circulation of blood and can be helpful to those suffering from conditions like obesity and peripheral artery disease, it can be harmful to those who have hemophilia or those whose blood isn't able to clot normally. According to Cure Joy.com, essentially, ginger doesn't allow the medication used to treat those conditions to work. Since ginger stimulates the circulation and increases blood flow, it has the potential of increasing the risk of bleeding. That is especially the case for those who already have bleeding disorders or take any medication that slows blood clotting. Number 3. People taking certain medications. Those who use certain drugs to treat conditions like diabetes or hypertension should speak to their doctor before drinking ginger tea or incorporating ginger into their diet. This is because many ginger teas interfere with the medical effect of insulin anticoagulants or beta blockers, according to Medicine Plus, a medical service of the National Institutes of Health. Ginger can also interact negatively with other drugs, such as antacids, heart medication, and antihistamines. Speaking of ginger, keep watching until the end because we'll tell you about a special ginger recipe that you can make that can help remove mucus from your lungs and cure a bad cough. Number 2. If you are underweight. If you are underweight or battling anorexia, you should avoid using ginger. For those looking to lose weight, ginger is helpful because it's loaded with fiber and has the capability to boost the secretions of digestive enzymes and stomach pH levels as well as suppress appetite. However, according to the Hearty.com, for those who are underweight, ginger can lead to poor muscle mass and further weight loss. Number 1. If you are pregnant, you should not include ginger in your diet. While ginger can help digestion during pregnancy, it has the ability to stimulate premature contractions and even labor. It also disrupts the intake of dietary iron and fat-soluble vitamins. According to the book The 100 Healthiest Foods to Eat During Pregnancy, copious amounts of ginger during pregnancy can cause miscarriage or menstrual bleeding. Although it helps to combat morning sickness, doctors recommend avoiding it until at least the last trimester of pregnancy. Now that you know who should avoid eating ginger, here is a ginger recipe for all of you out there who eat ginger regularly and are looking for some more added health benefits of ginger. This recipe will help remove mucus from your lungs and cure a bad cough. In regards to ginger benefits and health benefits, Dr. Axe says that ginger has been globally used as a natural remedy for thousands of years because of its medicinal properties. With that said, there are many ways to use ginger. It can be used fresh from the ground or even in capsule form. According to the Organic Health Corner, people can even use wrapped ginger to remove mucus from your lungs or even cure a cough. You're probably wondering why ginger can remove mucus and cure a cough. According to RxMed's website, one of the reasons it's so effective with mucus and coughs is because it contains oleoresin. Oleoresin has antitussive abilities, which means it can suppress and relieve coughs. They also state that ginger contains aromatic compounds like phenylalkyl ketones, which are gingerols, shogales, and zingerone. Together, they can soothe a cough. It also helps break down toxins in the body, which can form mucus if not broken down or removed. In order to make wrapped ginger, you'll need to follow the ingredients. Organic honey, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder or grated ginger, olive oil, flour, gauze, a napkin, and adhesive tape. Once you have successfully gathered all the ingredients, it's now time to prepare wrapped ginger. Begin by mixing flour and honey together in a bowl, then add olive oil and ginger and mix it all together again. Once you've thoroughly mixed the ingredients together, put the paste on a napkin and wrap it in the gauze. Once you've done all of that, apply it to a person's chest and stick it with adhesive tape. Leave it on for 3 hours before going to bed so the mixture has time to work. According to Organic Health Corner, the Organic Health Corner explains that there are no side effects to this remedy aside from skin irritation. Because of the powerful effects of ginger, it can irritate the skin, so what you can do to minimize the chances of that is to add more honey to the wrap, says Organic Health Corner. Other health benefits of ginger. Ginger doesn't just help with coughs and mucus, it also has many other ginger benefits. One benefit is that it can fight fungal infections. In 2016, a test tube study was conducted by researchers from Iran, and they found that ginger was effective against 2 types of yeast that commonly cause fungal infections in the mouth. Eases menstrual pain for women, pain, period cramps, and headaches are among the most common side effects that is associated with menstrual pain. Instead of turning to over-the-counter medications, try something more natural like ginger. According to a study that was published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine, ginger was just as effective. To remove menstrual pain is ibuprofen and amino acid, lowering cholesterol levels. Our cholesterol helps produce bile and manufacture our hormones, so it's essential to our overall health. But when we have high cholesterol, it can cause blockages and increase your risk of heart disease. According to a study at Babel University of Medical Sciences, ginger was able to reduce the bad LDL cholesterol and also raise the beneficial HDL cholesterol. So if you have high cholesterol levels and want to know what you can do to improve your cholesterol, consider adding ginger to your diet and see if it helps improve your cholesterol levels. All in all, a change to your diet that includes healthier foods that are nutritious will also improve other parts of your health and contribute to a healthier world. On the whole, if you are currently dealing with any of these conditions or have experienced them in the past, you should consult your doctor first before incorporating ginger into your diet. If you want to start living a more healthy lifestyle, try to follow some of the health tips in this video. Remember, your health starts with you. So if you want to make a change in your life, consider doing some things that will benefit your healthy lifestyle and improve your overall quality of life. If you like this video, let us know in the comments section below. Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Welcome back to Green Lifestyle, where we uncover the mysteries of health and wellness. The struggle to stay hydrated is real in almost everybody's life. Do you generally pull out a water bottle from your fridge when you remember? Or is iced water your regular order at restaurants? If yes, then hold on. Hear us out as we have a whole new take on drinking water. In today's video, we'll be discussing the unimaginable health benefits of drinking hot water. Can it improve your mood? What about blood circulation? We are discussing all of that and more. First up, warm water can relax your central nervous system. But what exactly is the central nervous system? It's the control unit of your body and mind and consists of the brain and spinal cord. Drinking enough hot water will keep you hydrated, which helps the brain centers associated with your thoughts. Also, the brain centers that control your body movement will be energized. The central nervous system connects your mind and body. Let's say you have a rough day. Working late at night, juggling work and household responsibilities can make you feel stressed out. You lose control of your body when things start getting out of control. You'll feel anxious, scared, or angry pretty quickly. Distress may also show up as a physical pain. You might have noticed body aches even if you haven't done anything physical. The most natural way to fight tiredness and anxiety is by sipping hot water. It'll put you in a great mood. Remember, it shouldn't be piping hot. A temperature around 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal. There's a risk of getting burnt and losing your sense of taste if you drink extremely hot water. So watch out for the temperature because the scalded tongue and taste buds can take pretty long to heal. Just fill up your kettle with filtered water and put it on the stovetop. Ayurveda believes in boiling 1 liter of water to at least 3/4 liters to get its actual benefits. Remember to cool down this water a little before you drink it. But if you don't have time, then pour yourself a glass of water and heat it in the microwave. Your hot water will be ready in seconds. If you have to step out, remember to carry a thermos filled with hot water. You can have it everywhere. Check out this amazing study that mentions a warm way to say goodbye to anxiety. Experts believe that drinking more warm water can give a feeling of calmness, satisfaction, and increase positive emotions. Have you noticed how relaxed you sleep after warm showers? Drinking warm water has a similar effect. It increases the level of serotonin, a chemical associated with happiness and well-being. Number 2. Have trouble gulping down your dinner? Have it with some warm water. It's hard to break the habit of grabbing an icy cold drink with your meals. Most of us have been doing it for years. But did you know that a chilled beverage can make swallowing difficult? As the cold beverage passes your mouth to your digestive tract, it starts reducing body temperature and surrounding blood vessels start shrinking. Now your body's main focus is to pull your body back to a normal temperature, which will put the task of pushing food into the stomach on the back burner. This is a serious medical condition called achalasia. The esophagus has difficulty relaying food ahead to your stomach. You may get the feeling that food is stuck somewhere right in the middle of your food pipe. If you constantly get this feeling, then wash it down with a glass of hot water. Your food will glide down easily. This fact is backed by an awesome Chinese study that pointed out people could ease the symptoms of achalasia by drinking warm water. Chinese culture believes in drinking warm water all year round. Be it summer or winter, this beverage tops their list. It might be their secret to staying healthy. That's why most authentic Chinese cafes serve hot water with dinner. Number 3. Hold on, are you feeling stuffy? And does it get worse when you try to sleep? When you have a cold, all that phlegm sitting in your nasal passage can make breathing difficult. A quick tip before going to the doctor is to fix yourself up a cup of hot water. Remember to hold it close to your nose and inhale the steam. When you take a sip of that water, the mucus buildup on the inner lining of the throat will start loosening up. It soothes the irritated area and the sinuses will also clear up. This home remedy must have been used for centuries in so many households. An old study compared the effects of drinking the same beverage at room temperature and when it was hot. The participants who drank hot beverages like tea and hot soups experienced quick and long-lasting relief from runny nose, cough, sore throat, and tiredness. Symptoms of sinusitis and congestion of the lungs can be mellow after drinking hot water. It's always been a part of many herbal teas and coffees. But hot water can work fantastic on its own without any additives as well. Cold temperatures can make you shiver as it's your body's natural response. When the temperature drops even further, it might be difficult for your body to recover. Warm water comes in handy and has shown promising results in maintaining body temperature. Number 4. Wondering when you should drink hot water? We're not asking if you have hot water after you've been in the sun or have a workout. Only a few can handle that. If you're new to drinking hot water, avoid drinking it when your body temperature is already high. Many swear by this elixir first thing after waking up. You can sip on it throughout the day. It's the easiest way to detox your system and is so much cheaper than fancy detox powders, tablets, and drinks. You don't need to be an expert in the kitchen or brew perfectly weighed and measured ingredients. It's just plain boiled water that anybody can prepare. We are constantly breathing in pollutants and chemicals and eating unhealthy stuff. Studies have found that drinking more water helps in diluting the toxins from your kidneys and flushing it out. Warm water will simply give you an edge to fasten this process. It also helps in reducing pain in the joints and preventing gout in the future. Number 5. Its ability to burn stubborn fat. Is your old pair of jeans fitting a little tight? The answer to that untamed belly can be a glass of hot water. Have it on an empty stomach for a few days. You'll see amazing reductions in your waist size. Ditch your morning coffee and afternoon tea. Substitute it with hot water whenever you can. You can have your food 20 minutes after drinking hot water. There's so many studies out there that have shown warm water to increase the body temperature and metabolic rate. It'll burn more calories and help in the breaking down of adipose and fatty tissues. Hot water can quickly make you feel full and help in the absorption of more nutrients from the food you eat. Another study found drinking half a liter of warm water before meals increased metabolism by almost 30%. Number 6. Want to ensure great blood circulation? Then simply put hot water on your drinks menu. The hot water expands your arteries and veins, thereby sending more blood through them. Since circulation is directly related to how great your heart, brain, and other vital organs will function, it shouldn't be ignored. There is no direct study stating drinking hot water improves circulation, but it is believed by experts that it acts as a vasodilator and relaxes muscles. Still, thinking of getting in a hot tub after a hectic day with a glass of wine? Swap it for a glass of warm water. It sounds out of place, but give it a try. You'll feel much more relaxed and will sleep better. Number 7. Improving digestion. If you've been facing indigestion, acid reflux, bloating and gas for a long time, then you need to try out this effective home remedy. As you know, we always back our facts with science. So here's a study that showed warm water will help patients after surgery expel gas and have healthy bowel movements. It's particularly important for people who are constipated. Dehydration is the top reason for constipation. Warm water will soften the stool and will help in their easy passage. Number 8. Have you ever thought about why those migraines and headaches keep popping up? Despite doing everything right, they'll still show up. It might be because you're drinking cold water. A migraine stops you from doing the usual activities. Around 36 million Americans suffer from this debilitating headache that robs them of a full life. Statistically, this number is more than diabetics and asthmatics in the country. There is a big list of migraine symptoms. The most common ones are increased sensitivity to light and sound, nausea, sweating, poor concentration, and of course, throbbing pain. You can lose 3 to 4 precious hours, even days, to this condition. The after effects may take up to a week to wear off unless you drink hot water. Studies have shown drinking cold water can trigger migraine attacks. Isn't drinking hot water so much better than taking medication? It's scientifically proven, doesn't have any side effects, and is completely natural. Does drinking plain water feel boring to you? If you like this video, let us know in the comments section below. Hit the like button and share with your friends. Welcome back to Green Lifestyle, where we uncover the mysteries of health and wellness. Did you know that just simply smelling lemons is an effective way to enhance your mood? Lemons have an exceptional nutritional profile. Apart from being low in calories, they contain an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's no surprise this fruit is considered as one of the healthiest foods in the world. And in today's video, we will tell you all about the health benefits of lemons. From reducing cholesterol, improving digestion, boosting immunity, improving mood to giving you energy and more, watch till the end to learn about all of them. Number 1. Improves digestion. Lemons contain carbohydrates that consist mainly of fibers and the simple sugars, glucose, fructose and sucrose. The main fiber inside is pectin, which can lower your blood sugar levels by slowing down digestion. One benefit of eating food with pectin is soluble fiber, which can help remove cholesterol buildup. Pectin can also help prevent diarrhea because it assists with food passing through the digestive system by creating a coating on the walls of the intestines. However, in order to get the benefits of fiber from lemons, you need to drink lemon juice that contains the pulp. That means homemade or one that has pulp in it are the best for digestive benefits. What foods tend to mess with your digestion? Tell us quickly down below in the comment section. Number 2, reduces kidney stones. Kidney stones develop when dissolved minerals build up in the kidneys. A lack of water in your body contributes to this condition, and that's why staying hydrated is so important. The most common treatment is to use citrate, because increasing it prevents stones from forming. A study found that citrus fruits like lemons and oranges can increase urine levels of citrate, which can help treat kidney stones. Number 3, prevents anemia. Vitamin C is healthy already, but your body has more uses for it than you think. Vitamin C allows your digestive system to absorb nutrients better, including iron. Iron deficiency, commonly known as anemia, is quite dangerous and easily treated by eating iron-rich foods and vitamin C to aid with its absorption. It goes without saying that there's iron in lemons as well. Perhaps not much, but every bit helps. When it comes to nutrient deficiencies, you want to take all precautions. Drink lemon water, and if iron is what you're looking for, enjoy a steak with it. Number 4, reduces bad cholesterol levels. Lemons have more than vitamins. They also have significant amounts of dietary fiber. This type of fiber does 2 things. Helps with digestion and cleanses your arteries, particularly from low-density cholesterol clogging up your circulatory system. Having cleaner veins and arteries means better brain health, and even healthier eyes, as everything is connected after all. Many other foods have dietary fiber as well, including veggies, other fruits, and whole grains. Number 5, helps with dental care. A study found that low concentration of vitamin C may cause periodontitis or gum infection. Lemon can be used in cleaning teeth. While most remedies will advocate using lemon in baking soda, try to avoid it as it may lead to dental erosion. The safest way is to choose a toothpaste containing this fruit as one of the ingredients. Number 6, younger-looking skin. According to a study, high vitamin C intake has been associated with less wrinkles and skin dryness, 2 physical traits that can age you big time. Since one lemon contains about half of your daily recommended amount of vitamin C, stocking up will practically make you immortal, or at least look like you are. Number 7, reduces inflammation. Regular inflammation is important for your body's immune response to fight off something like a cold. But chronic inflammation can lead to weight gain, fatigue, digestive issues, mood swings, and even cancer. Pretty nasty stuff. Luckily, vitamin C has antioxidant properties that have been proven to reduce inflammation. It was found to be beneficial during inflammatory conditions, including protecting immune cells. Number 8, lowers blood pressure. Managing your blood pressure protects your body against heart attacks, strokes, kidney damage, and heart failure. One study found that lemons have a positive impact on blood pressure levels, and the researchers believe that citric acid might play a role in this. Lemon might be able to lower blood pressure because it can make the blood vessels soft and flexible. Lemon juice can be one of the best drinks to help maintain regular blood pressure levels. Number 9, fights off disease. Everything about lemons is teeming with vitamin C and flavonoids, 2 potent antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This is worth noting because free radicals are unstable molecules that can trigger oxidative stress. This increases the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. So with flavonoids, lemons are sure to keep illnesses at bay. Number 10, freshens breath. Have you ever rubbed a lemon on your hands to get rid of the smell of garlic or some other strong odor? The same folk remedy may apply to bad breath caused by eating foods with strong smells such as garlic, onions, or fish. You might avoid bad breath by drinking a glass of lemon water after meals and first thing in the morning. Lemon is thought to stimulate saliva, preventing dry mouth, which can lead to bad breath caused by bacteria. Number 11, improves mood. In aromatherapy, the scent of lemon is known to be uplifting, energizing, and able to promote a positive mood. It's thought that lemon aroma can reduce nervousness, anxiety, exhaustion, and fatigue. So starting your day with a cup of fragrant lemon water may mean you start your day with an improved outlook. Number 12, balances pH levels. Lemon is one of the best alkalizing foods for the body as it contains both citric and ascorbic acid that help maintain pH levels. A good pH is essential as too much acidity can be inflammatory. Drinking lemon water regularly on an empty stomach in the morning helps remove overall acidity. This includes uric acid in the joints that is one of the primary causes of pain and inflammation. Number 13, boosts immunity. Foods that are high in vitamin C and other antioxidants may help strengthen the immune system against germs that cause common cold and flu. One review found that, while vitamin C supplements do not appear to reduce the incidence of colds, they may help reduce the length of time a cold lasts. Vitamin C may also boost immunity in people who are undergoing extreme physical activity. Squeezing a whole lemon into a glass of hot water with a large spoonful of honey makes a soothing drink for someone with a cough or cold. While eating the right foods can boost your immune system, eating the wrong ones can actually take a toll on it. Now back to the benefits of lemon that will surprise you. Number 14, gives you energy. The nourishing elements like vitamins B and C, phosphorus, proteins, and carbohydrates present in lemon make it naturally energizing. It hydrates and oxygenates the body to keep you feeling revitalized and refreshed. Also, as lemon contains more negative charged ions, it provides instant energy when it enters the digestive tract. Plus, as we told you earlier, the scent of lemon has mood-enhancing and energizing properties. Number 15, improves heart health. Some studies have found that adequate levels of vitamin C, the most essential nutrient in lemons, can reduce heart disease risk. Considering that heart illnesses are the most significant cause of death globally, this is a big deal. Certain plant compounds present in lemons might be responsible for these heart-healthy benefits together with vitamin C. The best part? It seems lemons are especially beneficial for people with obesity and high blood pressure. Number 16, prevents scurvy. Back in the day, sailors ate lemons or drank lemon water during long trips to keep scurvy at bay. Scurvy is a severe vitamin C deficiency with nasty symptoms. Weakness, sudden exhaustion, loss of appetite, irritability, aching limbs, and sometimes fever are common in people with low vitamin C levels. Drinking lemon water daily is a foolproof way of ensuring your body has all the ascorbic acid or vitamin C it needs. And although extreme scurvy cases are now rare, you can still experience some of its symptoms if you don't eat well. Number 17, helps control weight. Some research shows that the polyphenols in lemons help suppress diet-induced obesity. These polyphenols were shown to slow weight gain and body fat accumulation. Lemon detox diets containing maple and palm syrup with lemon juice can also reduce body fat, thereby reducing body weight and cutting the risk of heart disease. Drinking hot lemon water right in the morning can boost weight loss as well. One of the major nutrients present in lemon is vitamin C. Your body needs this important nutrient for a lot of different functions. And when it doesn't get enough of it, there are certain signs your body will start to give out. What's your favorite way to add lemons to your diet? If you like this video, let us know in the comments section below. Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Welcome back to Green Lifestyle, where we uncover the mysteries of health and wellness. Having some fat in your belly is normal. After all, fat serves to protect and insulate your body. However, having too much belly fat may harm your health and increase your risk of developing certain chronic diseases. While some practices like regular exercise and balanced eating contribute positively to your waistline, others may do just the opposite. From the foods we choose to indulge into the patterns that govern our sleep and stress levels, various aspects of our daily routine may significantly impact the accumulation of belly fat. But what are these factors that escalate belly fat accumulation? In today's video, we will delve deeper into these 11 daily habits. Number 1. Skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast may inadvertently set off a chain reaction in your body that may contribute to the accumulation of belly fat. When you skip the first meal of the day, your body, which has been fasting overnight, continues to stay in a state of starvation. As a result, your metabolism slows down in an effort to conserve energy. This slower metabolic rate means your body burns fewer calories throughout the day, which may contribute to weight gain, particularly around the belly. Furthermore, skipping breakfast often leads to increased hunger later in the day. This heightened hunger may make you more likely to indulge in large portions. Snack on unhealthy foods or choose high-calorie meals, as your body craves quick energy sources to make up for the missed meal. These eating patterns may result in a surplus of calories, which the body stores as fat, often preferentially in the abdominal area due to the influence of hormonal imbalances that may also result from irregular eating habits. The meta-analyses showed that skipping breakfast on 3 or more days a week is associated with an 11% higher risk of becoming overweight or obese compared to skipping it 2 days a week or less. Number 2. Overeating. The abdominal region is particularly prone to fat storage due to its sensitivity to the hormone insulin. Overeating, especially high sugar and high fat foods, leads to spikes in blood sugar levels. In response, the pancreas secretes insulin to help cells absorb glucose from the bloodstream. Over time, consistent overeating and consequent blood sugar spikes may lead to insulin resistance, a condition where cells become less responsive to insulin. As a result, the body stores more fat, especially around the waist. Binge eating is considerably more common among adults with obesity than in the general population, and individuals who binge eat are more likely to become obese than individuals without disordered eating. Number 3. Consuming sugary beverages. The human body is not designed to handle frequent, large doses of sugar without consequences. Over time, if sugary drinks are a regular part of your diet, your body's cells may become less responsive to insulin, a condition known as insulin resistance. Insulin resistance forces your pancreas to work harder, producing more insulin to help glucose enter your cells. This excess insulin not only leads to weight gain, but also prefers to store that extra energy as visceral fat. Deep fat wrapped around your organs within your abdominal cavity. Moreover, fructose, which is a component of table sugar, sucrose, and high fructose corn syrup, 2 common sweeteners in sugary drinks, have unique impacts. Unlike glucose, fructose is primarily processed in the liver. If the liver gets overloaded with fructose, it starts turning the excess into fat. According to studies, drinking a lot of sugar-sweetened beverages is linked to an increased amount of visceral fat, a kind of deep belly fat associated with conditions like diabetes and heart disease. Number 4. Lack of adequate sleep. Sleep deprivation affects the production of hormones such as leptin and ghrelin, which regulate hunger and appetite. Leptin signals to your brain that you've had enough to eat, while ghrelin stimulates appetite. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces less leptin and more ghrelin. This imbalance leads to increased hunger and appetite, making you more likely to reach for high-calorie, sugary, and fatty foods, which contribute to belly fat. Moreover, sleep deprivation impacts your body's ability to metabolize foods efficiently. When you're well rested, your body may properly process sugars and fats. However, when you're sleep deprived, your body's metabolic function slows, and the processing of fats from your bloodstream becomes less efficient, leading to more fat being stored in the body, including the abdominal area. A 16-year study involving more than 68,000 women found that those who slept fewer than 5 hours per night were significantly more likely to gain weight than those who slept 7 hours or more per night. Number 5. High stress levels. In our modern lives, stress is rarely a sign of immediate physical danger. Despite this, chronic stress leads to persistently high levels of cortisol, which has several effects conducive to belly fat accumulation. Firstly, cortisol may increase appetite and cravings for high-calorie, high-fat, and sugary foods. These are the types of foods that provide quick energy and are often sought after as a form of comfort or stress relief. Consuming these foods regularly may lead to an excess of calories, which the body stores as fat, particularly around the abdomen. Moreover, cortisol directly influences fat storage by affecting fat distribution in the body. It favors central fat accumulation, meaning more fat is stored around the abdomen. This type of fat, known as visceral fat, is particularly harmful because it surrounds internal organs and is linked to numerous health problems. What's more, women who already have a large waist tend to produce more cortisol in response to stress. Increased cortisol further contributes to fat gain around the middle. Number 6. Excessive alcohol consumption. When you consume alcohol, it becomes the body's priority to metabolize it. Given that alcohol is a toxin, this process requires energy. So the body diverts resources to break down alcohol instead of processing carbohydrates and fats, slowing down the burning of these macronutrients. As a result, the unused calories from carbohydrates and fats are more likely to be stored as fat, often in the abdominal area. Moreover, alcohol itself is calorie-dense, providing approximately 7 calories per gram, which is nearly as calorie-dense as fat. These are empty calories, meaning they provide little to no nutritional value. Consuming high amounts of calories without the necessary nutrients leads to weight gain, particularly as visceral fat in the belly region, which is the most harmful type of body fat. One study on alcohol use involved more than 2,000 people. Results showed those who drank alcohol daily but averaged less than 1 drink per day had less belly fat than those who drank less frequently but consumed more alcohol on the days they drank. Number 7. Snacking on high-calorie, low-nutrient foods. When you consume more calories than your body requires for its daily functions and physical activities, the surplus energy needs to be stored. The body converts this excess energy into fat, which is deposited throughout the body for future use. However, due to genetic, hormonal, and lifestyle factors, this fat often accumulates preferentially in the abdominal region, leading to increased belly fat. Moreover, foods high in refined sugars and unhealthy fats transcripts may disrupt the body's metabolic processes. A 6-year study found that monkeys who ate a high trans fat diet gained 33% more abdominal fat than those eating a diet high in monounsaturated fat. Additionally, the consumption of high-calorie foods often corresponds with a more sedentary lifestyle. When individuals consume more energy than they expend, they are less likely to engage in physical activity, compounding the problem of weight gain and specifically contributing to the accumulation of visceral fat, which is the type of fat that surrounds the organs in the abdomen and is most harmful to health. Number 8. Ignoring protein in your diet. Protein has a high thermogenic effect compared to fats and carbohydrates, meaning it requires more energy for digestion, absorption, and metabolization. When your diet is low in protein, your body expends less energy processing the foods you eat, leading to a lower overall metabolic rate. A slower metabolism means fewer calories are burned throughout the day, increasing the likelihood of these calories being stored as fat, notably around the midsection. Furthermore, protein is pivotal in maintaining and building lean muscle mass. Muscle tissue is metabolically active, meaning it burns calories even when at rest. A lower protein intake may lead to muscle loss, especially if calorie intake is also reduced or if physical activity is lacking. This loss of muscle decreases your resting metabolic rate, further reducing calorie burn and promoting fat accumulation, with the belly often being the primary site of storage. Number 9. Not drinking enough water. Water is crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Metabolic processes, including the burning of calories, require water to function efficiently. When you're dehydrated, your body's ability to metabolize fat is compromised, reducing the rate at which your body burns fat. This metabolic slowdown means more stored fat, particularly in the abdominal area. As the body conserves energy in response to what it perceives as a scarcity of resources. Moreover, insufficient water intake may lead to decreased lipolysis, the process by which the body breaks down fat cells to use as energy. Water is essential for transporting fatty acids within the body and facilitating their conversion into usable energy. When dehydrated, this process becomes less efficient, leading to increased fat storage. A study of overweight women examined the effects of increasing water intake to over 1 liter per day. They found that over a 12-month period, this resulted in an extra 2 kilograms of weight loss. Number 10. Over-reliance on processed foods. When you consume processed foods, you consume large amounts of added sugars and refined carbohydrates, which lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels. This condition is closely linked to increased fat storage, especially visceral fat around the belly. Additionally, processed foods often contain trans fats and high levels of saturated fats, which are known to contribute to abdominal fat accumulation. These unhealthy fats may alter the way your body metabolizes fats and lead to increased storage of belly fat. Processed foods are also typically high in sodium. High sodium levels may lead to water retention, causing bloating and temporary weight gain, which may make your belly look larger. Number 11. Lack of fiber in the diet. Adequate fiber intake is essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Fiber serves as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is associated with a lower risk of obesity and less abdominal fat. When fiber intake is low, it may lead to an imbalance in gut bacteria, contributing to inflammation and increased fat storage, particularly in the abdominal region. Additionally, fiber plays a role in fat metabolism. Without enough fiber, the body's ability to break down and utilize fats efficiently is impaired, leading to higher fat storage, including in the abdominal area. An older observational study involving over 1,100 adults found that for every 10-gram increase in soluble fiber intake, belly fat gain decreased by about 4% over 5 years. Remember, consistency is key, and small changes may lead to big results over time. A holistic approach involving a balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy lifestyle changes is essential for effective fat loss. If you like this video, let us know in the comments section below. Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Welcome back to Green Lifestyle, where we uncover the mysteries of health and wellness. This is what happens to your body when you stop smoking. Some of us humans are known to have an addictive personality. There are many products like food or other devices that are designed to hook people in, so they will continue buying until they stop and using the product. Some of these can even be habit-inducing, such as chocolate, alcohol, cigarettes. Although you probably won't run into that many problems if you eat a lot of chocolate, the other two vices are quite habit-inducing and over time can become harmful to your health, particularly smoking, if it's a daily habit. If you're a long-time smoker, or just starting out, there are a ton of things that change within your body that you might not have noticed. So, when you decide to quit, your body goes through more changes. But before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Now, let's explore the things that happen to your body when you quit smoking and what they mean. Number 1. Blood pressure. Although it can be difficult to make the decision to quit, it's the best option in the long run. Just 20 minutes after you put down your last cigarette, your pulse and blood pressure will begin to normalize. Number 2. Oxygen. If you can make it up to 8 hours without having a smoke, your body's carbon monoxide levels will begin to neutralize in the blood, as well as the levels of oxygen. Number 3. Heart attack. After 24 hours, the risks of heart attack are severely lowered. See how much can change after just 1 day off of tobacco. Although your irritability levels might be lower, rising by now, your body is beginning to cleanse itself. Number 4. Senses. Something that you might not have noticed happening to you over the years of smoking is that your sense perception decreases. After 48 hours off tobacco, you will notice your sense of taste and smell beginning to improve as your nerve endings start to regrow. Number 5. Circulation. After around 2 weeks to 3 months of consistent blood restraint, blood circulation in the body improves. You'll find it becomes easier to walk longer distances without losing your breath. The lungs' functionality will increase up to 30%. Number 6. Lungs. When 1 through 9 months have passed, your body will continue to gain back its energy and any problems with coughing, shortness of breath and sinus problems will reduce. Cilia will begin to regrow in the lungs, which will help to cleanse and lower the risk of infection in the body. Number 7. Overall health. When a year has passed, your chance of heart disease will be 2 times lower than that of a smoker. Number 8. Lowers risks. After 5 years, the risk of mouth, throat, and esophageal cancer will be cut in half, as well as the rate of lung cancer fatality between twice as low as that of a daily smoker. Number 9. Back to normal. When 15 years have passed, the risk of heart disease will be the same as if you smoked. You had never been a smoker. Long term. Now that you know what happens during the long-term goal, you still have to keep in mind that it's going to be difficult to stick to the plan. Intense cravings at first will be normal. You may also begin to feel agitated or experience anxiety, tension, or frustration. You may even experience sleeping difficulties and a change in appetite. After 3 days, the nicotine will have completely left your body and side effects will be in. You may experience symptoms like nausea, cramps, sweating, and headaches. This is the point where quitting is at its hardest. So if you make it beyond this point, reward yourself with something to keep you motivated. If you are having trouble staying motivated, it can help to tell your friends or your loved ones what you are doing so that you don't have to quit alone and in silence. It's also important to let people know what you're doing so they understand any mood or physical changes. Your body, the environment, and your loved ones will be happy with the decision you have made to quit. You'll feel more like yourself, and you'll also be saving money by not indulging in your habits. Good luck! If you like this video, let us know in the comments section below. Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. What effect will eating honey every day have on your body? Eating fruits and vegetables will give you the necessary vitamins and minerals to sustain that your body needs to create nutrients. But what about eating honey? Could eating honey do wonders for your body? Research indicates that it can. Did you know that honey helps boost your metabolism, which will help you get to your weight loss goal? Well, there's all sorts of other health benefits with honey that you might not even know about. Honey is produced by bees and several other related insects. In most cases, microorganisms do not grow on honey. This enables people to store it for long periods of time without it spoiling. Keep watching to find out the health benefits of honey. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Number 10. Clears up your skin. If you don't already take care of your skin, you should start. Honey is a great substance to consume if you want healthy skin. It's a great source that is full of antioxidants, which will help you clear your body of harmful toxins. It also contains antibacterial properties that will help keep your skin clear. Honey is considered to be a terrific antioxidant. Because of this, irregular consumption of honey will result in a body continually cleansing itself of toxins. Furthermore, honey has plenty of antibacterial properties that can help with keeping the skin clear and clean. If you notice that you tend to break out a lot, even if you wash your face on a fairly consistent basis, try eating more honey. Eating honey and maintaining a regular face washing routine may be able to help clear up your breakouts in no time. You should also drink plenty of water, as water can help flush toxins out of your system, and try to cut out sugary drinks and foods from your diet. Load your diet up with nutritious fruits and vegetables and try eating more honey. Number 9. Lowers your cholesterol. A study that was published in the Scientific World Journal showed that honey reduced the participants' cholesterol by 3%. The study had participants consume 70 grams of honey for 30 days. The results showed a reduction of total cholesterol. Another study that was published in the Journal of Medicine and Food showed a reduction of 8%. Honey helps to decrease the levels of cholesterol because honey contains so many antioxidant properties that it can help fight off excess cholesterol. Number 8. Strengthens your heart. One of the most important health benefits of honey is that it can strengthen your heart. Research indicates that by eating honey, you can prevent your arteries from narrowing. Depending on what artery becomes narrow, you could experience cardiac failure, headaches, and even slow memory loss. Drinking some honey with warm water can help protect your heart. The antioxidants found in honey have been shown to help prevent arteries from narrowing. Depending on the place where the arteries are narrowing, this can lead to a heart attack, memory deterioration, and also headaches. Did you know that if you eat honey before bed, you'd sleep like a baby? Why? Well, you'll have to stick around until the end to find out. And do you know what type of food honey should be combined with to improve your energy? Well, wait until the end and you'll find that out too. Number 7. Improves memory. One of the many honey benefits is improved memory. Reuters Health conducted a study that wanted to link better memory to the consumption of honey. The studies included 102 healthy women who were asked to take 20 grams of honey, a hormonal replacement, or do nothing. They followed the participants for 4 months. After 4 months, they found that women who took honey were able to remember 1 extra word when they were given 15 words to remember during their short memory test. The calcium in honey is easily digested into the brain, which helps it function. Number 6. Healthy stomach. If you constantly suffer from bloating and indigestion, the antiseptic properties that are found in honey can help with that. It will alleviate indigestion and can also neutralize gas. Honey is a great healthy food to eat because it improves your digestive system. Honey is great on an empty stomach not only for its strong antiseptic properties but also because it can destroy germs and heal small wounds in the membrane as it passes through the digestive system. If you suffer from indigestion, you probably know how uncomfortable and annoying it can be at times. Try adding more honey to your diet and cutting out foods and drinks which you know are more prone to giving you stomach issues. Number 5. Relieves your nervous system. The neurons in the body need glucose in order to function properly. The glucose in honey is easily absorbed into the bloodstream, which can help relax and alleviate certain psychological disorders. However, if you do suffer from psychological disorders, I recommend you go and speak to a health professional instead of taking honey. You can also inquire about taking honey as an alternative. Number 4. Weight loss. Eat honey and lose weight. The sugar that is found in honey is made of a different composition than that of other sweeteners, and as such, it can help in boosting your metabolism. So if you're trying to cut those pounds, it may be try substituting sugar for honey. It'll help your metabolism, and it'll also help you reach your weight loss goals. If you go to your doctor and tell him or her that you want to lose weight, they'll tell you to cut out sugar from your diet. But they will tell you to exclude honey from that. This is because honey has a different type of sugar substance added to it. Number 3. Stress reliever. One of the most important honey benefits is that it can help relieve stress. Research has shown that honey can help stave off stress, rejuvenate the cellular antioxidant defense system, and help improve memory. When we're stressed, we tend to overeat and undereat, and our bodily functions begin to deteriorate. Stress also affects our sleeping patterns, which can lead to even more stress and stress-related illness. So if you feel like you're stressed out all the time, start eating more honey. Number 2. Improves brain function. Honey has also been shown to help in the functioning of the brain, since it's chock full of calcium, which is easily processed and used by the brain. Just like honey can improve your memory, it can also help keep you alert. If you need to stay alert to study for a test or exam, or just want to improve your overall brain function and have a clearer head throughout the day, try eating more honey. Now that you know what will happen to your body and health if you start eating honey every day, here's why and how honey can help improve your sleep. Number 1. Improves sleep. Honey can help with sleep as well, because it will increase the level of insulin in your blood, which will then release serotonin. Serotonin then forces the release of melatonin, which is a hormone that helps one get into deep, sound sleep. The sugar that is found in honey helps raise our insulin levels slightly, and allows the compound tryptophan to enter the brain more easily. If you're not familiar with tryptophan, it's what's found in turkey that makes us sleepy. Anyone who loves knows that after dinner, it's definitely nap time. Here's a bonus fact about honey and the type of healthy food you should combine it with healing properties. Combining honey with another healthy food full of antiseptic and healing properties such as garlic will greatly enhance each other's benefits. A garlic-infused honey remedy consumed on an empty stomach can result in some great energy and longevity. With the recent news of the declining population of bees, it is no wonder that more people are creating awareness and looking for ways to conserve honey. Around the world, there is estimated to be more than 25,000 species of bees. An average bee colony will have about 30,000 to 60,000 bees, with each worker bee estimated to live about 45 days during the summer months. At about 64 calories per 1 tablespoon, honey is not only great in tea and on waffles, but it is also chock full of a lot of hidden health benefits. So, if you want to improve your health as well as your overall well-being, start to eat honey on a daily basis. You won't regret it. Do you like eating honey? What are some other foods that you eat to help improve your health? Let us know in the comments section below. Hit the like button and share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like, if you eat eggs every day, what happens to your body? Have you ever heard of an egg diet? Eating eggs is a fantastic way to give your health a boost. According to WebMD, each egg only contains 75 calories and is packed with 7 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and 1.6 grams of saturated fat. Not to mention it contains iron and other essential vitamins and minerals. Eggs have several health benefits. They also contribute to healthy brain development and bone health. For example, did you know that eating eggs during pregnancy can also help a baby's brain development? This is due to the yolks being high in choline. If you're not eating eggs on a regular basis, you should be. Now, keep watching for the 6 things that will happen to your body when you eat eggs. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily health tips like this, and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Number 1. Boost your weight loss. Did you know that eating eggs can actually boost your weight loss? Many people are surprised when they hear this, because they've been told that eggs are unhealthy and fattening. But a study done by the Rochester Center of Obesity Research found that eating eggs for breakfast actually helps limit your calorie intake throughout the day by over 400 calories. Researchers from this study concluded that by just eating eggs for breakfast, you could lose 3 pounds a month. The reason why eating eggs can help limit your calorie intake is that they curb your appetite. So if you find you're hungry, try eating some eggs. When you eat eggs, you'll start to notice that they make you feel full, which can take away unnecessary cravings and help prevent you from munching on snacks and foods that aren't the best for you. So if you're trying to lose weight, try adding some eggs to your diet. You won't regret it. Number 2, help your body prevent breast cancer. Research that was conducted by Harvard University found that eating eggs as an adolescent could help prevent breast cancer. Researchers at the University of North Carolina found that choline, which is in eggs, transcripts can help reduce breast cancer by 24%. The daily intake recommendation for choline is 550 milligrams for men and 425 milligrams for women. 1 egg contains 125.5 milligrams. So if you consume 2 eggs, you're almost halfway to consuming your daily intake. So make a change to your healthy diet to help improve your overall health and reduce the risk of different types of cancer, like breast cancer. Now, while eggs may be able to help protect you from breast cancer, it's not to say that it will prevent you from getting cancer. So always be sure to speak to a doctor or medical health professional first if you're looking for some information about how to prevent certain types of cancer. Do you know how many eggs researchers suggest that we eat every day to maintain a healthy lifestyle? Well, stick around until the end to find out some more health tips about eggs. Number 3, reduce stress and anxiety. A study was published in 2004 in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. And researchers found that when people had sufficient lysine sources in their diet, their stress and anxiety levels were reduced. The researchers believe that lysine modulates the serotonin in the nervous system, Can you guess what food has high amounts of lysine? Stress and anxiety can also have a huge impact on your weight and your diet. When people are stressed out, they tend to eat more or less. This can lead to weight gain or unhealthy weight loss, both of which can be detrimental to our health. In addition to this, stress and anxiety can affect your sleeping patterns. So try to eat more eggs to reduce your stress and your anxiety. Number 4, protect your eyes. There are 2 types of antioxidants in eggs, lutein and zeaxanthin. They both have protective effects on your eyes. Both these antioxidants are found in the yolk. What these antioxidants do is reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that participants who consumed 1.3 egg yolks per day for almost 5 weeks increased their blood levels of zeaxanthin by 114 to 142% and lutein by 28 to 50%. Number 5. Lower inflammation. Eggs contain dietary phospholipids, compounds which have huge effects on inflammation, according to studies. In fact, a recent study published in the journal Nutrients found that there was a connection between dietary intake of egg phospholipids and choline and the reduction of inflammation. By lowering inflammation in the body, you reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, according to Paul M. Ridker, Director of Center for Cardiovascular Disease Prevention at Harvard-affiliated Brigham and Women's Hospital. Number 6. Protect your liver. As mentioned already, eggs have high levels of choline. A review was published in the journal Advances in Nutrition, and it explained that choline deficiency is linked to the buildup of hepatic lipids, which have the ability to cause non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The good news is that a study found in the Journal of Nutrition found that women who had high choline diets lowered the risk of experiencing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Cholesterol is an important part of the cell membrane and the liver produces large amounts of it every day. When we eat eggs, the liver doesn't have to produce as much. This structural molecule is responsible for making testosterone, estrogen, and cortisol, which are all very important contributions to the function of the human body. Basically, if we were to consume a large portion of eggs, say 3 of them, it would even out with the liver to make sure the body gets the correct levels of cholesterol. So, now that you know what will happen to your body if you start eating eggs, what do you think? Eggs are great for your health. But you should also remember that all of our bodies are different. The effects of consuming whole eggs can vary person to person. For the most part, the majority of people consuming eggs experience mild to no alterations in cholesterol levels after consuming high amounts of dietary cholesterol. In fact, the 2015-2020 Dietary Guidelines for Americans has actually dropped their limit on dietary cholesterol, and the government's expert panel has expressed that it is no longer a concern. So, is there a limit to how many eggs we should be eating? How many eggs are too many? Well, studies suggest that we should eat between 1 to 3 eggs a day. Although there are studies showing that it is safe for us to consume up to 3 eggs a day, there are no studies showing what happens when people consume more than 3 a day or more than 21 a week. Another thing to keep in mind is that there are different types of eggs. The healthier eggs are richer in omega-3, or come from hens raised on a pasture. Eating 3 of these eggs a day could contribute to nutritional differences over time. Eggs are a great food to add to your healthy diet. To help with your overall health and bodily functions with all sorts of health benefits. There's no denying that eggs should be a staple in anyone's diet. Eggs can help fight iron deficiency and protect eyesight and help with healthy weight gain. Basically, you should make eggs a staple of your diet right now. So what are you waiting for? Get started on your new healthy diet today and reap the rewards. How many eggs do you eat a day? What are some other types of food that you eat to maintain a healthy lifestyle? And do you have any health tips for getting started on a healthy diet? Let us know in the comments section below. Hit the like button and share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel